Our first sentence is, she said to the waiter, she said is written outside. She said to the waiter, I want my order as fast as possible. She said to the waiter, yes, waiter, I want my order as fast as possible. Second sentence, the father said, the father said, I expected better result this time. I expected better result this time. Savya, please tell me first answer. Yes. She told the waiter, said to किसमें change होता है? Told. She told the waiter that she first form changes to second form. She wanted her order as fast as possible. She told the waiter that she wanted her order as fast as possible. Online students, please raise your hand. One offline, one online. Okay, Jasmine.
Ma'am,
Jasmine, second one.
father said that the father said that he had expected better result that time.
Okay, correct one. Expected is which form? Please tell me. This is second form. Second form का क्या rule होता है? Had plus V3. So the father said that he had expected better result. This changes to that. So the father said that he had expected better results that time. Number 3. Neha said, my neighbor was behaving weird manner. Yes. He said to me, my sister will teach you English. Yes, please. Yes, Karthik. Yes. her neighbor was, what is the rule of was? Had been, yes, her neighbor had been behaving in weird manner. Neha said that her neighbor had been behaving in weird manner. Online student, only Jasmine is there. Who is awake? What about others? Yes, Saksham and Samarth, please.
यस मैम, हमने यू के आगे का लिखा है.
English, beta, English.
ओके मैम. He told me that his sister would taught me English.
Is he correct? His sister would taught me English. What is the problem then? Yes. Complete answer. Okay, complete answer. Saksham and Samarth, I don't know whosoever gave answer, will changes to would, but next verb remains same. First form is there. You have to keep it first form. Would teach me English. So whenever you use can, could, may, might, always use first form with them. Okay? Would teach. Devang, any doubt?
नो मैम, आंसर देना था. मैम मैंने ना वो एक्टिविटी के बारे में पूछना था
यस बेटा, क्या पूछना है?
कि जैसे हमने जैसे अगर हमने जैसे उसका पूरा रोल प्ले करना है, लाइक जैसे हमने या फिर स्पीच वगैरह देनी है.
You have to play the role. आपको वो पर्सन बन के उसकी एक्टिंग करनी है. ओके?
तो फिर हम किसी और को भी इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं बीच में, लाइक जैसे कोई भी जैसे फ्रेंड.
Yes, you can include anyone. More character of use कर.
ओके.
You taught perfect tense, ना? That's fine. पर आप बहुत आराम से पढ़ा रहे थे. मुझे नहीं लगता मैं इतने आराम से पढ़ाती हूँ. So he played role of English teacher and I guessed कि वो मैं ही हूँ शायद. And he taught perfect tense and he said, "Good morning, students. Today I will teach you perfect tense. And do you know when we use it?" So ये बड़ा प्यार से पढ़ा रहा था. Okay, that's good. Past perfect, yes. Okay, next one. She said, "Nobody is helping me in this matter." Hindi teacher, English teacher, science, anyone? Dialogue should be in English. ये ना आप हिंदी टीचर बनो और हिंदी में बोल दो. नो. Nobody is helping me in this matter. Now let's start our interrogative sentence also. Parmeet.
She said that nobody was helping her in that matter.
Nobody was helping her in that matter. Online, please. Yes. Online, please raise your hand. Devang, where are you? Please tell me the answer.
She asked how many students were present that day.
Is he correct? He said that she asked how many students were present that day. No? What is the correct answer? ये yes no में आ रहा है?
आपने कहा था वो WH और how
उसने नहीं किया दिवांग ने. तो चाहे WH question और how, you are not supposed to use if. Directly answer लिख दो, ठीक है? So whenever WH question, when, where, why is given or how, then आप directly ये लिख दोगे. No if, no whether. Okay? 7 please. ज्योतिन next answer आप दोगे. Yes, Jyotin. I had been. आगे. कौन सा न्यू रूल बनाया आपने ज्योतिन? प्लीज टेल मी. Has have changes to Sarjot. Sarjot. I after I क्या बोला आपने? Correct. Simply has have changed to had. That's it. No been, no ing. Okay. Number 8. Chahek will give answer. Yes, Chahek. One minute, she will try. Yes. Okay, Kasar, please. Don't speak with her. If she do me a favor, Gursimar, please tell me. Exactly. If who's you here? You is always the listener. Who's listening me? If she will changes to good. Always subject comes first. उसके बाद क्या आता है हमारा verb. Is it clear all? If she would do me a favor. No, full stop only. Full stop. Full stop only, no need to write question mark. Number 9. Gaurish, she asked me, did you win the quiz yesterday? Yes, Gaurish. Beta, you change according to listener. Okay. So did is your second form of verb. Second form का rule क्या होता है? Had plus V3. So your answer will be, she asked me if the previous day. वैसे तो मे बी आपको याद है, फिर भी यहाँ पे नोट लिख दो प्लीज. इन इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस they all get vanished. ये खत्म हो जाते हैं, ठीक है? They just disappear. Do, does, did हम नहीं लिखते इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस में. Do, does, repeated. Yes, change उसके अकॉर्डिंग होता है. Do, does V2 में चेंज हो जाता है और did, had plus V3. I'm giving you one question using do or does. Now try to make it. Yes, who will make Hargunpreet, please? Sorry, beta, why Anna? Sorry. Write down why. She asked. Why? I told you do, does, did vanish हो जाएंगे, खत्म हो जाएंगे. It will just cancel. First form changes to second form. Yes. Okay, last sentence. Who will give answer? Arman. Yes, Arman. Is he correct? Reason? Speak up. Arman, what is this? Whenever says, say or will say is there, you are not supposed to change anything. Will ही रहेगा, ठीक है? बाहर said हो या past tense हो, फिर change करना, okay? So this was the topic narration. I hope it is clear and you all will get full marks. अगर 3 marks में आती है ये पेपर में तो I think so you can get full marks. Just learn the rules. 7-8 rules are there only. You can learn them. ठीक है? बेटा no listener is given here. You can make me but you be correct. ठीक है? We don't know उसने किसको बोला है. What is determiner? Please tell me. Yes, Karthik. And they give us clarity about the noun. Yes. So please tell me types of determiners one by one. Possessive pronouns or adjective? नेक्स्ट क्या आता है इसमें? What are quantifiers? What are quantifiers? For example, always use much with uncountable and many with countable. And what is the difference between little, a little and the little? First of all, the first thing you have to keep in mind, little use hota hai a little with uncountable things. You have to keep in mind that little, a little, the little is used with uncountable things. Little is kind of negative, meaning something is there but that is not enough. Okay? There is little food in the basket but we are more people so it won't be sufficient. Okay? Little means कुछ है पर इतना नहीं है कि वो enough हो. Okay? A little is used in the positive sense. Something is there और वो sufficient है, बहुत है इतना. ठीक है? I have a little money but I am happy with that. The little is total. Generally किसके साथ यूज होता है? Has, have, had के साथ. The little money he has got lost yesterday. जितनी भी उसके पास total थी that got lost. So total means the little. A little is positive. Something is sufficient and little negative. Similarly, few, a few, the few. Yes. Meaning is totally same, but what is the difference? It is used with countable nouns. He has a few friends, that's why he remains upset. ठीक है? ये negative हो गया. He has a few friends, he is happy with them. The few friends he has, all are very helpful. ठीक है? तो total कौन आ गए? The few. So ये था quantifiers. What next category, please? How many possessive adjectives are there? You have revised this topic और आपको पहले से आता है? I'm proud of you. Okay. So possessives कितने हैं? 7. Please name them. प्लीज टेल हर मीत आवर्स आएगा कि नहीं आएगा, प्लीज इफ यू कैन। क्यों नहीं आएगा? हरमीत, इन द बिगिनिंग आई टोल्ड दैट डिटर्मिनर इज यूज्ड विद अ नाउन। ठीक है, अब आवर्स के साथ आप नाउन यूज कर सकते हो। स्पीक वन सेंटेंस यूजिंग आवर्स। दिस क्लास इज आवर्स। आवर्स के बाद कोई नाउन आया, so this is not a determiner. Noun should be there after the determiner. Okay, next please. That is done. डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव्स में क्या होता है? वो डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव्स होते हैं। And the last one is interrogative. 3 words are there. Who will tell me? What, which? Exactly. What, which, whose? क्यों ये 3 ही होते हैं? Why क्यों नहीं होता हरमीत? Why क्यों नहीं होता इसमें? Why is also interrogative है, क्यों नहीं होता इसमें? उसके साथ speak up, be confident, it's okay. Why 3 interrogatives are there? Why not how? Why? क्यों नहीं आता? वैसे इसमें हाउ मेनी और हाउ मच भी आ सकता है। हाउ मेनी बॉयज आर देयर इन द क्लास, ठीक है? So how many, how much you can add if you want. So these were determiners. We don't have much time to do the exercise, so just note it down and tomorrow we are going to do the exercise. Now let's revise. Let me now ask students to check whether they are listening or not. Chitesh, please. Difference between a few and few, बस इन दोनों में। माइनस में कौन है? और फ्यू? फ्यू? अक्षरा? किसने ये बोला? उसने अ फ्यू को माइनस बोला, राइट? देन इट्स ओके, कोई बात नहीं। नेगेटिव को माइनस बोल दिया, दैट्स नो प्रॉब्लम। पार्थ प्लीज। पार्थ, लिटिल और फ्यू में क्या डिफरेंस है? लिटिल अनकाउंटेबल, फ्यू काउंटेबल। ओके, नेक्स्ट राज आर्यन। राज आर्यन, मैनी और मच में क्या डिफरेंस है? मैनी एंड मच। ओके, वेल डन। एंड वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन आदित्य, ए एन और द में क्या डिफरेंस है? ए एन एक तरफ है, द एक तरफ है, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? स्पेसिफिक चीज के लिए। ओके, कैन यू गिव मी एग्जांपल? 1 मिनट प्लीज। हाँ, द की और अ की दोनों। The car is mine. Okay, और अ? लिटिल वर्ड जो होता है वो, चलो ठीक है। यस प्लीज, डिफरेंस। ओके अगर नहीं भी होएगी, डैश ताजमहल इज इन आगरा. पर्टिकुलर थिंग, यस. चलो इसमें बताओ अ आएगा या द. डैश मैन इज स्टैंडिंग आउटसाइड. Dash man is standing outside, but I'm not going to see who is he. अब बताओ. अब द आएगा. Sit down, please. Okay. Dash man is standing outside and he is looking very strange. क्योंकि I'm talking about one particular man. Yes. So that's it. I think ordinal, cardinal. You know that ordinal कौन से होते हैं इसमें से? Cardinal, ordinal. Yes. So that was the topic, determiner. Now you can have your fruits if you have. Okay. And online students, I'll meet you tomorrow. Okay.